Disconnect the power cable from the car battery. Remove the clips from the original vehicle and install them onto the new device. You can contact us via binizeofficial@gmail.com or WhatsApp at 8,613,312,163,297. We will arrange a customer service manager to assist you personally. Additionally, we have prepared a small surprise for you. This is a 20-pin multi-function wiring harness. This is the fan power cable. It needs to be connected to the corresponding connector on the 20-pin harness. This is the microphone. Please note that this microphone must be connected. Otherwise, you will not be able to use the microphone function. These two are USB connection cables. This 10-pin connector is for the reverse camera, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth signals. This is the radio antenna. Plug the other end into the corresponding connector of the original vehicle. Now we are connecting the GPS signal antenna. Connect this USB port to the corresponding connector of the original vehicle. This is the reverse camera included with our product. Connect the red connector and black connector of the camera. This is the 5-meter video transmission and signal control cable. Twist the two red wires together, then connect them to the positive terminal of the reverse light. Note: must connect to the positive terminal of the reverse light. Do not mistakenly connect it to the brake light. Connect this black wire to the negative terminal of the reverse light. Connect the yellow connector at the other end of this 5-meter video cable to the 10-pin reverse camera connector. This is the power cable. This is the CAN bus box. Check if it is securely connected. Connect the 16-pin power connector. This is the button function control connector. Plug it in. This is the power cable for the CAN bus box. This is the AUX wiring harness. Connect AUX L and AUX R to out and out R on the 20-pin connector. This is the subwoofer connector. Connect either sub R or sub L to line out subwoof on the 20-pin harness. Mate these two black connectors together. According to the connectors of the original vehicle, connect these to AUX R and AUX L to out R and out L on the 20-pin connector. If using the original vehicle's reverse camera, connect this cam to the RCA on the 10-pin connector. If the reverse image flickers, connect GND to the negative terminal of the car and the problem will be solved.